At sa nakalipas na panahon, ating nabuo ang mga resolusyon na tayo ay magbabalangkas ng mga sumusunod na batas at takbang tungo sa pagbabago at hustisya. Encompass more than just exposing criminal activities. It intends to address systematic gaps and implement enduring reforms through well-crafted legislation such as but not limited to the following. May I ask the Committee Secretariat to please flash on the screen. Number 1, amend the cybercrime law to address the proliferation of online gambling, hacking activities, and other investment scams. Number 2, amend Republic Act 9160 as amended by Republic Act 10365 or the Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2001 to empower the government to take swift measures even if no formal charges yet are filed in court. Number 3, amend